Welcome back, subscribers and YouTubers and miner fanatics. All right, here's an update on my finished mining. So I set up the other day. This would be my second day, and the mining went great for one day, and then the second day it kind of went nothing for 8 hours long. So I'm gonna show you a video of it. I'm gonna show you my progress, and you will see for yourself how I did on the first day. First day made a pretty good profit. Yeah, and we'll talk about it. So here's my helium progress. So my transmit scale is zero point 0.5. Currently sinking because today's my second day. Not sure how long it will sink for. Checking online showing maybe about 5, 6, including 10 days. I don't know. But so today's earning is very low. I mean, it's still great compared to yesterday. My first day of earning is very great. Currently, there is a 11 beacon. So here's activities. So the first day, adding to the blockchain, insert location. Then I got a few challenges and witnesses, and received some reward for that. Yeah, and then I was thinking of myself, hey, I read somewhere online saying if I can move out of my block, I get more, challenge and stuff. So, because we have two helix here in my two hotspots in my helix, and I'm thinking, if I move out of there, I might get more profit. So I moved my location, somewhere over here, and that didn't work. Still in the same. So, but yeah, continue. That's still day one. More challenge, more from the beacon witness, and then got some rewards. And then construct a challenge by my hotspot, and then more, and then the second day got some more witness, receive some rewards, and no more witness and rewards, and that's where my location went in, where I changed it. And then another structured challenge by my hotspot. Then there's another beacon challenge and somewhere in England, very far away. And then another reward for that, and then another witness, then a reward. That was my last reward. And then a challenge today, like 8 hours later. I was waiting all day to see any movement, but now here you see all the beacons. So check out my reward for the past 2 days that I hook up, installed. Went great. I mean, day one received 0.033, and then another day one is 0.021, and then day two got 0.021, and day 2.01, another day 2.004, and finally the last one, which is the biggest one, 0.047, and the total HNT was 0.136, which is great. It's like what, $2.40 something. It's amazing for the 2 days. And then today, kind of slow down. 8 hours later, nothing shows up. No witness, no beacon, nothing. And according to my statistics, I had one challenge made by my hotspot today, but haven't received a reward for it yet. 3 hours ago. Maybe if I move it back, location back, things will change. I don't know. For now, I will see what the second day will look like before I move my location back. But any suggestions, you have, or comments or questions about my hotspot, anything, shoot me. Alright, thank you for subscribing and following my mining activities, and hopefully I get better results tomorrow and I do an update video on it. Take care, and happy mining to everyone.